Today, we are diving into something super important for anyone starting out on YouTube: the top 5 mistakes that new YouTubers make. If you want to grow your channel and avoid some common traps, stick around and let's get into it. The first mistake is not understanding the YouTube algorithm. Now, I know the YouTube algorithm sounds like a mysterious black box, but understanding it, at least a little bit, is crucial for you to get noticed. Now, YouTubers often think if I upload a video, people will just find me. But unfortunately, it's not that simple. YouTube's algorithm works by recommending videos based on what viewers are watching, their interest, and even how much engagement the video gets within the first few hours. Now, the problem: if you're not optimizing your videos for that, YouTube might not show them to anyone, even if they are awesome content. So focus on your watch time, audience retention, and creating videos that people actually want to watch all the way through to the end. If you can hook them early, YouTube will be more likely to recommend your videos to others. So if you want to understand the algorithm more, you want to know how to use the SEO, check my previous video on how to start a YouTube channel. I explained all those things over there. You need to understand the YouTube algorithm for your videos to be able to be pushed out there. YouTube is a search engine. It's not a human being, so it cannot automatically see a video and understand what it's about. It depends on what your title is, what your description is, what your tags are. So you need to understand the algorithm and know how to use the SEO to optimize your videos. Your videos always have to be optimized for your videos to be out there. New YouTubers hardly optimize their videos. Some of them don't even know about optimizing their videos, and that's why when you post a video and it doesn't do well, they give up and they feel like, oh, nobody's seeing my video. But you're not optimizing your video. You don't understand the YouTube algorithm. So you need to understand the YouTube algorithm as a new YouTuber so that your videos can be pushed out there. Next is ignoring thumbnails and title. Thumbnails and title, these are like the first impression. It's like the cover of a book, the first impression of a video, and if they don't grab attention, you're already at a disadvantage. A lot of new YouTubers just throw something together or use random frame from their videos, but that is a missed opportunity. Your thumbnail should be eye-catching, it should be clear, and it should give people a reason to click. Even if they are just scrolling through your feeds, think of it like a book cover. You want it to scream, click me. And don't get me started on titles. A boring generic title won't cut it. Like, it needs to be both descriptive and intriguing. But avoid clickbait. We are not about that life, okay? But make sure your title clearly communicates what the video is about and piques curiosity. Try to include keywords for SEOs, but also make it sound like something people want to click on right away. Like I said before, you need to understand the algorithm. You need to do your research. I'm going to link videos that will help you with that in the cards. Please check those videos out so you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Also, the thumbnails. I already did a video also on how to create engaging thumbnails, and trust me, that video is going to help you. So check that out also for you to know how to create engaging thumbnails and also to optimize your YouTube titles. Next mistake is overlooking the SEO and the tags. I've been saying this from the beginning of this video. SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. If you're not paying attention to your SEO, you're basically hiding your content from potential viewers. Tags and descriptions and keywords, they all play a role in making sure that YouTube understands what your video is about. It helps YouTube know what you're talking about and shows it to the right audience. A lot of new creators just skip this step or they don't do it effectively, but it is super important. Start by doing some research into keywords related to your videos. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. I said this already in the past video, to find what you're searching for and then optimize your title and description and tags and also those keywords. Trust me, the right SEO can be a game changer for your video reach. The next mistake is inconsistency. This one is a biggie. Inconsistent upload. I totally get it that life happens, but if you want to grow, you've got to commit to a schedule. Posting once every few weeks or whenever you feel like it won't help build momentum. YouTube loves consistency. The more you upload, that's while maintaining quality content, of course, the better your chances are of building a loyal audience and getting recommended. Now, I'm not saying you need to upload every single day. That's unrealistic for most people, but some people do it. If you can't, then that's fine. But even setting a goal to upload once a week or once every 2 weeks and sticking to it can make a huge difference. As a new YouTuber, I recommend you post at least 3 times in a week before you can think of posting every day. Okay? 3 times in a week is fine, because consistency is key. And for this, I will recommend having a content calendar of a month's worth of content first, just to help guide you and make it easy for you to make content and flow. If you'd like to know how to make a content calendar in less than 5 minutes, then let me know in the comments and I'll do that in the next video. Trust me, it's that easy. All right, last but not the least is engagement, not engaging with your community. New YouTubers often overlook how important it is to interact with your viewers. You can have great content, but if you're not engaging with your community, you're missing out on something huge. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and get active on social media. You're not a robot, you're a human being. YouTube is just a one-way street. The more you engage with your audience, the more they feel like they're a part of your journey, and that builds loyalty. Also, engaging with other creators can be just as important. Collaborations and supporting others in your niche can expose you to new audience and open doors for growth. Okay, you're not a robot. People want to relate to you. People want to know that, oh, the person behind the camera is someone they can talk to, someone real. So try to be engaging with your community. Respond to comments, open your comments for suggestions and engage with your viewers. So these are the top 5 mistakes new YouTubers make. And now that you've got the inside scoop on how to avoid them, if you want to see growth, it's all about understanding the algorithm, perfecting your thumbnails and titles, mastering the SEO, stay consistent with uploads, and building a strong community. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments. What mistake did you make when you first started out on YouTube? Or what other tips do you think are important for new creators? I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating. Bye, guys.